Johnston here. Whoa, we got a big exciting day going on in Hyderabad, India today. But let me knock out what's going on today first. We have a 2 o'clock private founders only meeting for Q&A. So if you're brand new, please check out that webinar. That link's in the back office. Do not share that with anybody, please. I am filling. Red is traveling some more this week, so I asked him, and he said he would not be doing a live, so don't be looking for Red's live today. Marty will follow myself at 12 or so. We never know what time he comes on, but he's been pretty good lately. Hey, Bill Must. So what's going on? Let me tell you, the 2 o'clock private founders only. Please, usually 1,000 to 1,500 people. Don't chit-chat. Ask your question, get your answer, and let the next founder come on there. And then at 8 o'clock tonight is the Cedric Flowers and Kevin Rutledge live show. That'll be a public Q&A, presentation Q&A. That's always a good one. I'll be on there, of course. And if you want, I will post that link in the back office. Also, my what's happening, guys? Bill Must, let me tell you something. What's going on in Hyderabad right now is very exciting. All right, we're just getting pictures and videos of our main staff office in Hyderabad, Indian. Looks to me, Ash Mafara bought 3 brand new cars, and I don't know if he's gifting it to the company or to special managers that's done a lot of work in there. I'm waiting for that information. Very exciting. It looks like they got free Wi-Fi sign all around the building. There's a lot of people gathering, founders, and they're getting on that free Wi-Fi. I mean, he's doing some pretty amazing things. He's got billboards blasting out, all digital. It's really cool. There's a lot of pictures going around right now. Marty DeGarma, I'm cutting in and out. Oh, wonderful. Hey, Ron, Marty. Are you just saying that, Marty, or are you just making fun of me? Malay Thomas, if I hear Marty Lowe, I got you, buddy. Hey, so Bill Musk will be making videos on that. He's going to share them below, I believe. I just got off the phone with him, so he's going to share those links below in the comments. Make sure you check out Bill Musk's channel. Once again, Timmy Johnson, John White, and the Barbershop Quartet. You guys are doing an amazing job. You see that Timmy Johnson made the Golden Apple Awards for a selected few of us, which I'm very proud of. That is not happening anymore. That was just for a few people. So I got a lot of people reaching out asking me about that. But Timmy's done. Timmy, Bill, and John, they do things and then they move on to the next project. So if you're asking to be on the Golden Apple, that's a special award that they did. And that is over right now. We have a few people on there, which luckily I was part of. I really loved it. So guys, man, yeah, I got a lot of people. Now, and I'll post those videos later and pictures from Hyderabad. Oh, I got a whole bunch of people on here today. Let me call some names. Hirash, how you doing? Robert Oates, what's happening? Listra T, we're gonna say. Not me, I got a rotten apple. No, Marty DeGarma, we have one special made for you. You'll love it when you. Must channel in the Leadership Council to support John, Bill, and Timmy for all they do for us. So please check that out. He's got some great videos, pictures, posts about Onpassive that he shares for everybody. But get in the Leadership Council. I put the link in there. You can go right to his channel. He also just texted it down here, which is cool. Hey, Donna, what's happening? My dog's biting. Narelli, what's happening, Narelle? Nice. We did a Aussie girls and the Kiwi guy last night at 10 o'clock. That was really good. I think Narelle and Yvonne both have an excellent, I mean, they got one of the best. I put them in the top 3, I tell them, presentations. So if you ever get a chance, they do it on Mondays, which is their Monday, my Sunday night, and one on Thursday. I don't even know if this is working. Oh, well. Let's see. Maybe. There we go. I'm back on. I got booted off. Sorry, guys. let me start where I left off. I hope my internet's going wacky today. I do not know why. What I was saying is I worked 32 years in the auto factory. 32 years of many weekends, 12, 14, 16-hour days in my last 10 years. It was a long time. Man, if I could change one person's life so they don't have to do that, that's what I really am about right now. When you have a lot of kids out there or people that are maybe just starting to work, and let me do you a trade-off here. You got 30 years plus with the company that you might work for someday, or you can do 2 to 3 years of Onpassive, completely change your life, and that's what it's going to do. You're going to earn hey Jason, what's up, Jay? You're going to be able to earn a residual income from the world. And like I said in my first video that I got cut off on, Hyderabad's Asma Farr gave them a huge surprise today. I know he's got 3 brand new cars waiting for him. They've got big old digital, beautiful things going all about Onpassive. Free Wi-Fi right out the gate, right by the Onpassive building. A lot of people gathering there. I will post those pictures and videos later. Like I said, check out Bill Must. He was putting them on there. And that was on the last video. He put his link. I don't know if he's going to get back on because I got cut off. But trade that 30 years for 2 to 3 years, folks. All right. Like I said, the naysayers out there, it's okay. You can wait. When we launch, you'll jump in. You'll jump all over Onpassive. Why? Because you're going to earn a residual income for doing nothing. And I'm all goofed up today because my internet was crappy right off the rip. So I know Red is not doing a live today, so I jumped in to fill in for him. Actually, I failed because I lost my internet. Marty will be on at 12 noon, so please check out Marty DeGarmo. That's on Onpassive Nation and everything else that's going on. But don't forget, 2 o'clock Founders Only. Founders Only. Just get on there, ask your question, and get off. Hey, Juanita, what's happening? I'm back again. So ask your question, get on there, and get off. If you have a birthday today, and I didn't check my birthday list again, I forgot, happy birthday to you. And if you're sick, we're praying for you. But don't forget the 2 o'clock Private Founders, 8 o'clock Cedric Flowers, Kevin Rutledge. That link will be on my Facebook later, and also I'll post it in the back office. So get in this. Today's a great day to get in, guys. Don't believe the negative things you're seeing. Just get in this, join up, and watch your life change instantly. All right, I got to go. I had to do 2 lives today because the first one cut off, but I love you all. If I missed your name, yep, I'm back, Ron. My internet booted out on me, so. But you guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you at the 2 o'clock. Hyderabad has got a huge celebration going on right now. Like I said, Ash gifted 3 cars to the office there. And I'll have videos and pictures posted later. And get in this, guys. It's happening. It is real. Y'all know about next month what's happening. I can't talk about it on here, but you're going to be amazed and blown away. And all you people saying bad things, hold on, Bill. All you people saying bad things about it, guess what? You're going to turn it around. All right, I got to go. Everyone's calling me now. I'll see y'all later. Bye.